Hi, this is Jez from R&J Machinery. Thanks for watching the demo video on the Hebrock F5 Next Edition Edgebander. Before I show you the control system, let me take you around the back to have a look. So in the front end of the Edgebander, we've got the pre-milling unit, we've got the pre-milling adjustment, we've got the tape thickness adjustment, and we've got the quick heating glue pot. The glue pot heats up in 3.5 minutes. It's easy to clean and easy to remove. You've then got the tape guillotine. In the second cabinet, we've got the end trim saw for front and back trimming. We've got the top and bottom milling units with automatic pneumatic adjustment from the controller with nesting lockout. We've then got the 1mm and 2mm radius scrapers with automatic adjustment from the front end. We've then got a corner rounding unit with 1mm and 2mm quick change motors. We then have glue scrapers and a buffing unit. In the F5, we also have 3 sets of sprayers. We have the cleaning spray, the anti-static spray, and the anti-adhesive spray. For cleaning or for changing to a different interchangeable glue pot, it's really easy to remove the pot from the F-Series Edgebander. By disconnecting the pneumatics and the electrics and removing the handle for the glue plunge, we can lift the pot out. Here is the easy to use control on the Hebrock F5. As you can see, all of the working units are highlighted in boxes. When they're greyed out, they're not in use. And then when we highlight them and they turn green, they've then been turned on. Now we've turned the glue pot on. Underneath certain aggregates, you can see a small spanner symbol. We can then go into the unit and make adjustments or changes. On the glue pot, we can change between EVA and PUR, or we can take the temperature right up to make it more viscous for cleaning. On the top and bottom trimming unit, we can highlight the spanner and we can adjust from radius or square to radius on the top and bottom, and the symbol changes to show the operator what we're going to be producing. On the right hand side, we've got a list of recipes that have already been saved. So to change to plastic R1, we highlight the symbol and the machine sets itself up. To change again to a radius 2, we can select the new unit and it changes to that. If we would then like to add different aggregates like the sprayers, we can turn them on, or the nesting lockout, and it all highlights and starts working. When the machine's up to temperature at around 190 degrees, it takes about 3.5 minutes to get to there. The speed will run at 10 meters a minute. We can press the start button, and when the green light comes on, we can put the panel in. Once you finish running that job and you need to change your tape thickness, it's nice and simple. Just select the new recipe and it will change over automatically without having to mess around in the back end of the machine. If you'd like some more information on the Hebrock F5, please give us a call or send us an email.